Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect TikTok to Instagram on PC, so make sure to follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to search for TikTok login, sign up in Google. Now right after that you'll be able to see a link at top on in the screen where you need to click on it, and now you'll be redirected to the official sign up page of TikTok where you can see two sign up options. First one is use phone or email option, and another is continue with Facebook. You simply need to click on continue with Facebook, and you need to complete few more formalities. And once you verify yourself, you'll be able to connect with Instagram as well automatically. So basically this is how you can connect TikTok to Instagram on PC. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.